What's the meaning of bequeath? Bequeath. Bequeath.
Bequeath. Bequeath. Bequeath refers to the act of leaving something, typically property or money, to a person or organization in a will or testament. The term also implies that the giver has passed away, and the gift is made posthumously. It is a legal term that is often used in the context of estate planning. The concept of bequeathment is closely related to inheritance, which describes the process of receiving property or assets from someone who has passed away. Bequeathment is often used as a method for passing down wealth from one generation to the next, or for supporting charitable causes after death.